What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Metrobank Visa Platinum Credit Card. Kasi si Metrobank guys is merong dalawang Visa Platinum na credit card pero magkaiba sila. It's because yung isa is cashback and then yung isa naman is rewards plus. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung comparison between them. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ayan, Metrobank, you're in a good hands. So compare Metrobank's credit cards. Kasi nga diba, i-compare natin yung Visa Platinum credit card ni Metrobank, which is yung Visa Platinum Cashback and then yung Metrobank Visa Platinum Rewards Plus credit card. Pag-uusapan din natin guys yung annual fee and then yung income requirement of course and then yung application requirement, yung valid IDs na kailangan and then yung income requirement nga. At saka yung annual fee of course. Kailangan nyo ring malaman, i-share ko rin sa vlog na ito. Kaya naman just keep on watching guys. So as you can see guys, ayan, kasi iba't ibang klase, merong credit card. So sa credit card kasi ay merong sinasabing rewards and rebates as you can see. So ibig sabihin yung expectation nyo dyan is yung cashbacks, alam mo yun, and then dining. So kapag kinain nyo, so kapag ginamit nyo siya sa dining, kapag nag-restaurant kayo, may mga perks and benefits or exclusive benefits yung credit cards na yun kapag naka-categorize siya as for dining ni bank. Kasi, ayan, nakikita nyo, may travel. So, kung mahilig kayo mag-travel, then you should go for the credit card good for travels. Kasi may mga free lounge access. Yan. And then, no annual fee as you can say. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na kailangan isipin yung monthly or yearly membership. It's because no annual fee for life siya. So, as you can see guys, ito, yung topic natin is yung Metrobank Cashback Card at saka yung Metrobank Rewards Plus card ni Metrobank. So, pareho silang Visa Platinum. Kaya naman, comparison ito guys between them. So, as you can see guys, sa Metrobank Cashback Card, ayan, nakikita nyo, welcome offer. So, sa cashback is yung nasa left side, ayan, nakikita nyo, get 2,500 EGCs when you reach the minimum accumulated value spend of 30,000 pesos within the spending or spend period. Exclusive to first-time principal Metrobank credit card holders. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan kayo mismo or ito yung pinakauna yung principal credit card sa Metrobank. Wala kayong ibang credit card. Para nung nag-apply kayo, ito muna yung in-apply ninyo at na-approve kayo. Then, of course, same lang din naman siya sa welcome offer with rewards plus cards. So, as you can see, 2,500 EGC welcome offer yun, guys. So, dapat unang-una, ito yung in-apply ninyo. Tulad ng sabi ko pa lang, first time principal Metrobank credit card holders. Then, dapo tayo ngayon sa key benefits. So, sa cashback, guys, nakikita nyo, 5% on all groceries, telecoms, school, and bookstore spend. So, ibig sabihin, kapag ginamit nyo yung credit card ninyo sa grocery store or telecommunications, schools, or mawa sa mga university, yung mga tumatanggap ng credit card or national bookstore, something like that. 5% yung cashback niya. Then, 0.2% rebate on all other categories. So, ibig sabihin, kahit travel man yan, or pharmacy, ganyan, sa mga drugstore, 0.2% yung rebates niya. Then, sa Rewards Plus naman, guys, is 2 times rewards points on gadgets and online spend. So, ibig sabihin, times 2 yung magiging points ninyo kapag ginamit ninyo yung Rewards Plus ni Metrobank Visa Platinum Credit Card. Then, dapo tayo ngayon guys sa rewards and rebates. So, as you can see, ayan, sa cashback, Visa Platinum Cashback ni Metrobank is up to 5% rebate on groceries, telecom, school, and bookstore spends. Ibig sabihin, up to, so meaning may mas mababa dyan. So, pinakamataas is yung 5%. And then, yung 0.2% rebate on other purchases. So, kahit ano yun, kahit anong categories yun. And then, get up to 12,000 pesos rebate per year. Then, sa Rewards Plus naman guys, ni Visa Platinum ni Metrobank is 2 times rewards points pa din on all online, gadget, telco, and delivery transactions. Then, sa annual fee guys, ngayon pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee ni Metrobank Visa Platinum Cashback at saka ni Metrobank Visa Platinum Rewards Plus Credit Card. So, sa Metrobank Visa Platinum Cashback guys, yung first year niya is naka-waive, which is yung principal niya is 3,500. Then yung supplementary naman is 1,750. And then sa Rewards Plus naman guys is 2,500 pesos per year. Yung principal niya, then yung supplementary is 1,500. So nakikita nyo naman guys, ayan yung credit card na yun na may annual fee na ganito. Then ngayon, yung eligibility guys, let's talk about eligibility or yung annual income na kailangan. So as you can see guys, minimum gross annual income of PHP 180,000 pesos. And then minimum, same lang sila guys, actually, parehong 180,000. Kahit alin sa kanila, yung Metrobank Visa Platinum na cashback or di kayo yung Metrobank Visa Platinum na Rewards Plus. And then ngayon guys, dapo naman tayo sa application requirements ni Metrobank Visa Platinum Cashback at saka ni Metrobank Visa Platinum Rewards Plus. So sa credit card application requirements is of course yung proof of identification, hindi siya mawawala. Copy of photo-bearing valid IDs issued by the Philippine government with date of birth and signature and its instrumentalities per Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Examples below. So, ito yung IDs na accepted guys or yung valid IDs kumbaga. So, as you can see guys, Philippine System or PhilSys ID. TIN ID or yung Tax Identification Number. Then, yung PRC. Alam mo yun? Professional Regulations Commission ID kung teacher kayo, something like that. Then driver's license, passport, yung UMID ID. Yung UMID guys sa SSS to, PWD ID. Then pangalawa of course is yung proof of income. Kailangan din to, syempre, kapag, ayan, nakikita nyo, photocopy of any of the following. So, ibig sabihin, isa lang dito guys. Kung depositor kayo guys, ano ibig sabihin ng depositor? Kayo ay may dinedeposit or may savings account sa Metrobank. So as you can see guys, ito, must have a minimum total relationship balance or TRB of Philippine peso 50,000 pesos or must have an account for 12 months within the minimum of TRB of 25,000 pesos. So, kapag ano guys, yung account niyo is minimum of 12 months na, ibig sabihin kahit 25,000 lang, okay na yon. Pero kung bago pa lang, alam mo yon, so 50,000 yung kailangan. Then ngayon naman guys, kung kayo ay may existing credit card from other banks, ibig sabihin kapag ibang credit card yon sa BDO, sa BPI, PNB, China Bank, credit card must be 9 months or older and must at least have a credit limit of 25,000 pesos and up. Then, kapag kayo naman ay non-depositor with no cards with other banks, so wala kayong savings account, wala kayong credit card from other banks, ito yung kakailanganin nyo. Para sa mga employed, copy of the latest income tax return or ITR, duly stamped as received with the Bureau of Internal Revenue or its authorized agent bank BSP circular as amended. Then, copy of 3 months pay slip, original copy of certificate of employment, COE, only for top 1,000 corporations. Must contain name, position, date of employment, and gross annual income. Para naman sa mga self-employed guys, ito guys, sa mga walang credit card dito at saka walang savings account sa kanila. Kung ikaw ay self-employed, kakailanganin mo yung requirements na to. Copy of the latest audited financial statement or AFS. Copy of latest income tax return or ITR duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR or its authorized agent. So, ganun yung kailangan nyo isa lang alang guys kapag gusto nyo mag-apply ng Metrobank credit card. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ko. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!